Welcome back, guys. The next settings is privacy and publishing settings. And in the privacy settings, all you have to do is to make it visible to search engines or not. So you could decide to not make it visible to search engines. You could decide to make it visible to search engines. So I could decide not to make it visible to search engines. That's what the privacy settings is all about. But right now in the publishing, we've done this before, but I'll show you again. So right now we have a blog address, and in the publishing section you could create a custom domain. So I want to try to link my custom domain back. So it's very easy. All you have to do is to link the custom domain back, and I'll do that straight away. So right now I'm going to try to use my hostinger because I have my domain name. The actual domain name I want to use for this is in my hostinger. So I'm going to just do other. Since we still have other settings to work on, we are going to talk about the other settings we have to work on. Then we are going to wrap this up. We're going to wrap it up. So right now we have all the other settings to talk about. But right now in the publishing and privacy settings, it's very easy. All you have to do is to add a custom domain, which I've done before. I've done this before, so I'm going to just add my custom domain, which I have different domains in my portfolio. I have the billardtech.com, so I'm going to just do that right now. I'm going to use my custom domain, and I'm going to use billardtech.com. Yes, that will be the custom domain. So it will be www. After you've gotten your domain, you input your custom domain, billardtech.com. So you're going to choose save, and it's going to save the settings because we added save earlier on. You could remember when I was doing the major edits, I added save. So that's what the custom is all about. So you get to customize your domain and all that. So you get to see I had the record here in Billardtech Academy and billardtech.com. Sorry, I did the name server, I did the major name server and all that. But right now it's not here anymore. So we can do a fallback subdomain and all that. Right now this is this, so you could have it deleted and revert back to your normal domain, or you use a custom domain. But right now we're going to just leave it at this. So custom domain, we've spoken about it before. You should check out that session again on how to connect your blog to a custom domain, which is very easy. We've used name server as Namecheap as an example, and we've used hosting as an example. So you could buy your domain name from anywhere and you could connect it to your Google Blogger, and that way you get to publish and you get to talk about your privacy. And this is the basic settings for now. Then I'm going to go to the next settings in the next session. I hope to see you in the next settings. See you there.